Welcome to Solve It Like a Marketer. I'm Stephen Hobey. Today I'll be exploring great client customer service, how to keep your clients happy. If you like this video, please subscribe and don't go away. Now, as a freelancer, customer service is key. It's up to you and only you to keep your clients happy. So here are some helpful tips for you to consider as you move forward. Number one, be clear. So your clients need to know what they can expect from you. And this could be in terms of your working days and hours or your delivery schedule on projects. When you're going to, for instance, take vacation, it's all about relieving client anxiety. So keep them in the loop at all times. Next, exceed expectations. So it's up to you if you want to go above and beyond. A client, for instance, might email you in a panic in the evening. Maybe they are feeling pressure and need something changed. Are you going to wait until the next day to respond or get back to them right away? It might even be a quick response to acknowledge the email and put their mind at ease. Then get back to them in more detail the next day. Be firm. Sometimes you have to tell a client that they can't have what they want. And this is always hard to do. So it's a balancing act. You can't let them push you around, but also keep them happy at the same time. Best to never say no, but explain your position and what constructive solutions you have in mind. You can show that even while you couldn't meet their initial request, you've still helped them to achieve their goal. Over-deliver. This could mean a variety of things. For instance, beating a deadline you set or coming in under budget. This is a surefire way to end up with happy clients who appreciate all that you do for them. Don't overcommit. Now, this is really important. Always commit to exactly what you are able to do. If you overpromise, you may end up stressing out or missing deadlines. So this will inevitably lead to a disappointed client. It's all about building client loyalty through good customer service. Finally, keep in touch. Once you've finished a project, keep in touch with the client. As the saying goes, out of sight, out of mind. You want to keep that connection with the client. So this could mean simply popping off an email once in a while to check in, or sending a holiday greetings card. No hard sell needed, just a slight reminder to them that you are still open for business. In other words, good customer service doesn't end when the project ends. It lives beyond this. Now let's talk about perceived value. So how do you value yourself and your time? Here are a few tips. Don't set your rate too low. So whether you're new to the scene or a seasoned freelancer, never undervalue yourself. Take into account your skills, knowledge, experience, and accomplishments. Compare these to the other freelancers that are also on the market. You're likely more of an expert than you actually give yourself credit for. Next, talk about your value in your client's language. So what does this mean? Well, if your client is revenue driven, explain the impact of your work in terms of their bottom line. So what is the ROI, return on investment? Use metrics that they can understand to see value for your services. Don't negotiate your rate in the first meeting. This is so important. You need time for both yourself and your client to walk away and think about the project. You don't want to have a knee-jerk reaction to pricing yourself that you may actually regret later on. So take some time and then quote in a separate email. Finally, consider when to take on pro bono projects. As a freelancer, it's always good to be expanding your portfolio, and pro bono projects are an effective way to do this. However, be careful what projects to take on. They really need to benefit both you and the pro bono client. So you are investing your time for free after all. So pro bono clients can be rewarding if it's the right fit. So choose wisely. Now, a big part of being a freelancer is setting your own standards and goals. This could mean anything from the hours you work to the way you approach marketing. One of the standards and goals can be around, as I say, customer service. As I said off the top, it's up to you to set the bar and to treat your customers how you see fit. How much are you willing to bend over backwards or keep them at arm's length? And this will vary with every individual freelancer. From personal experience, I can say that customer service is something that I'm constantly working on. It evolves as my business adapts. It also is linked to my own personal growth as well. So the bottom line is that good customer service can lead to increased client loyalty. And as you develop your business skills, so too can you be constantly analyzing how you interact with clients. Many clients are happy to pay a little extra for a service that constantly exceeds their expectations. They are also more likely to become long-term clients, which is really what we all strive for. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. You can also catch me on Instagram and Facebook for extra content, and you never miss an episode, or connect with me on LinkedIn. Those links are below. I'll see you every week with a new video, so please stay tuned, and together, let's solve it like a marketer.